Hi guys, Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to strain paint. Let's do this, guys. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how we strain the paint. Now this is some white matte emulsion, and over time, when you leave it, it dries up on the lid, it dries up on the edges, so when you sort of open it, it just pops bits in, and as time goes by, and it's not good at all, because you don't want this getting in your paint, because it's a nuisance when you start painting the ceiling or the wall. You have to keep picking off the bits as you go along. But I do have a solution for this little problem. I have this little cheap sieve, and I've got a clean white matte paint tub. Now what we're going to do is give this a stir. I mean, it is as lumpy as anything is this. Also guys, the sieve can get blocked up with a lot of lumps, so you might have to clean the sieve out at halfway through, or at some point anyway. That's what I do in this video, because this paint is really lumpy. Get a little sieve, put it on there. And a bit at a time. I mean, there's also the tights trick, which you use with oil-based paint, so we'll do a video on that very soon. Because believe me, when you start rolling it onto the ceiling, you've got to keep getting up ladders to pick the bits out. It is an absolute nightmare. There's so many lumps. You can see it going through there, look. Sometimes you just have to do this to get the bits to move about where it gets blocked. If you look really close at the sieve, you can see all the bits in it. And just to let you know guys again, that I did clean this sieve out halfway through, because it got really lumpy and blocked. Okay guys, that's how you strain emulsion paints. If you've got anything from this video, please like and share, please subscribe and leave a comment down below, and please smash that notification bell to be notified of any future videos. Take care and stay safe.